but just barely. Welcome back to the Financial Beanstalk. My name is Nick, and like I said, this month we were in the red by the narrowest of margins at 0.2%. But that does mean our pattern for 2021 is still intact, with 2 months in the red, followed by 2 months in the green. May, being in the red, tells us that June will also be in the red, which will hopefully provide some great buying opportunities, which will be awesome because June is also going to be a huge month for dividends. There were only a few days in May that actually pushed us into the red, but I took full advantage of those and bought as much as I could, as I'm still working on rounding up my fractional shares in Robinhood to a full share amount so that I can then transfer them over to Fidelity. Speaking of Fidelity, I have been using Fidelity Spire primarily, and like I said last time, they don't offer limit orders, but Fidelity's normal app does. And they're working on reworking their user interface. My buddy sent me this screenshot here, and it looks pretty clean, so Fidelity's going to be a great move once I actually round everything up and get it transferred over. That's enough rambling for now, but let's switch it up this month and start with the dividends I got. On the 3rd, I got $3.56 from AT&T and $1.24 from Verizon. On the 6th, I got 37 cents from JEPI. On the 13th, I got $1.08 from Apple. On the 14th, I got 64 cents from Main Street Capital and $1.66 from Realty Income. On the 17th, I got 44 cents from Procter & Gamble and 30 cents from Stag Industrial. And then on the 28th, I got 1 penny from SiriusXM, bringing our total to $9.30. Just kidding. I also got $1.37 from SCHD, bringing our actual total to $10.67. I think I'm finally, permanently a member of the double-figure dividend club. It feels good. Then, back to the SIB, the stocks I bought. On the 3rd, I bought $1.12 of Verizon, which brings me up to 2 full shares of Verizon, so I won't be buying any more of that on Robinhood. On the 4th, I bought $10 of SCHD, $7 of Apple, $5 of Stag Industrial, and $5 of Coca Cola. On the 5th, I bought $4.81 of AT&T, and $10 of Realty Income. On the 6th, I bought $10 of Disney. I'm still hoping they're going to reinstate their dividend here. On the 10th, I bought $9.26 of Apple, which brings me up to 5 full shares of Apple, so that one's ready to go. And I also bought $5 of Microsoft. On the 11th, that's when we had our first big red day of the month, so I bought $6.92 of SCHD, $5 of Disney, $10 of 3M, $10 of Johnson & Johnson, $10 of Coca Cola, $7 of Northwest Energy, $10 of Republic Services, and $6 of Altria Group. On the 12th, another good buying day, $5 of SCHD, $5 of Republic Services, $10 of VYM, $5 of Altria, $5 of Realty Income, and $5 of Northwest Energy. On the 14th, $5.08 of Disney. I'm really hoping they reinstate their dividend soon here. Their parks are starting to open up again, so I think that could happen hopefully this year. On the 18th, I bought $13.81 of Stag Industrial. That brings me up to 3 full shares of Stag, so I'm ready to go there. $10 of Altria, $10 of Realty Income, and $7.23 of SCHD. Then on the 19th, our last good buying day of the month, $5 of Altria, $5 of SCHD, $5 of Realty Income, $5 of VYM, $5 of Johnson & Johnson, $10 of 3M, $5 of Northwest Energy, and $5 of Republic Services. So those are all the ones I bought on Robinhood. I did buy a little bit on Fidelity this month. So on the 11th, I bought $6.95 of SCHD And on the 17th, I bought $33.40, a full share of AT&T. And yes, I did buy this right before it crashed on the news that they're cutting their dividend. But if you watch the video in the corner here, you'll understand why I'm not concerned about it, because I'm not selling my AT&T position. So in total, I spent $298.58 on stocks this month. Not quite $300, but still more than I have the last couple months. My buddy Zach asked me to include the total of my dividend portfolio in SCHD, which I've been hesitant to do for some reason. But screw it! Currently, my total dividend portfolio is $6,431.75. I need to add in the little I have in Fidelity right now, so one second. I have $199.89 in my Fidelity account right now, which brings our total to $6,631.64. Year to date, I'm up around 27%. Transparency. So a pretty solid month in my opinion. You can watch my AT&T video in the corner here and why I'm not selling. And I hope you noticed the audio might be a little better in here now because I got carpet in my office, which helps insulate the sound a little bit, and I have a bunch of acoustic foam panels, so it'll only get better from here. Like I said, June is going to be a huge month of dividends as well, so YouTube mumbo jumbo, that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. I truly appreciate you watching, and let's continue to grow this beanstalk.